Ugali is our staple food. The only time we feel really poor here at the countryside is when we don't have maize in our stores. I'm at the posherman to mill some maize for our flour. We use this mesh to remove any dirt that may be lying in the maize. The village is changing. Before, we would mill our maize using diesel. These days, there is electricity and we don't have to queue for long before they mill your maize. My garden has lots of vegetables that have overgrown. Some will go to waste and some I will harvest. But I don't really consider them a waste because the chickens love them. There are lots of bugs on them and some are having an amazing time on my crops. But it looks like just a party since the crops are not damaged at all. I'm quite late in harvesting my okra. Most of them have overgrown. It's always good to harvest them when they're still young. That's when they're tasty and soft. The very mature ones I will use to make seed for the next season. Being a first-time grower of okra, I'm quite impressed with the outcome. They are so healthy. If you know what I can do with the overgrown okra, kindly leave a comment. We're still receiving lots of rain, which is not very good for our veggies. It's always good when we have it in moderation. We're happy though for the intervals of sunshine. This is the third harvest of cucumbers I'm having. I must admit I got lots and lots of cucumbers this time. This last harvest are quite small in size. They're not as big as the first and the second harvests I made, but there are lots of them. The ones that have turned yellow are rotting. I will give them to the chickens. They really enjoy them. This last harvest also has some really weird shapes, other than being small in size. I'm not expecting much from here anymore. There are no flowers, so there won't be more cucumbers. So I'm clearing this portion of the garden, then I will be planting something new here. It's always in order to get rid of all the remaining plants and fruit to avoid the spread of diseases in the new season. The passion fruits are looking amazing. I'm eagerly waiting to harvest them. What I'm not sure of is when to harvest. I will now share with you my recipe of okra. It tastes so good. I'm sure you will all enjoy this recipe. My method of cooking keeps away the slime. So if you're the kind of person who gets disgusted by the slime, I know you will enjoy this. So you first slice the okra whichever way you want. Pour it into a bowl and add salt generously. Mix well and put aside. Heat some oil in a pan, then add the sliced okra. Fry until it turns golden brown, then add some onions. Add spices of your choice and cover for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I will cook my ugali. Okra has never tasted this good. Please try out this recipe and let me know how it goes with you. Thank you so much if you watched to the end. Please remember to like, share, and leave a comment. It's been amazing hanging out with you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and see you in the next.